Autodesk makes software for people who design and change the world. Our technology spans from architecture, construction, manufacturing, product design, media, entertainment. The challenge we solved with AWS was to have a data-centric security platform that collects, centralizes, processes, and then responds to the configuration changes in our highly dynamic environment in near real time. We built Pulsar as a data-centric security platform that centralizes our collection, processing, and response capability using the AWS services like CloudTrail, like Lambda, S3, and in turn allows us to swiftly move towards remediation and response in our highly dynamic environment. Pulsar has benefited internal teams by allowing them to move from identification to remediation with the same velocity that they would be shipping code in most cases, and that our external customers have benefited tremendously, not just from security posture, but just the velocity with which this gets shipped to production.